Circus here. And, I know we didn't hit 5 bars, but I'm gonna go upstairs, see what they're doing. There's that. My dad's making potato. Say hi. Eggs, which is cooked. And still maybe like they can't hear me. Yeah, I'm making some eggs. Oh, go crap. Yeah, making eggs.
What I say about that?
Yeah?
What are the boys doing?
I don't know, let me check.
Huh?
I don't know, let me check. Making eggs.
What are the pendejitos doing?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Happy? Got you. Can't see him, but okay. It's right here. Gotcha. And yeah. Clearly snowing. Yeah. Sorry, I don't know if it's going to be a short or long video. I don't know. Yeah? Okay. Alright, we got the bacon done, which is cooked.
So you want a bagel or you want this in the plate?
Just bagel. Gotta be very gentle because I don't want them to fall.
Johan, come on here.
Whoa. Got some hot chocolate.
You want bagel, Johan?
Do you ever have hot chocolate? Bagel. This is good.
Yeah, bagel.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, my brother's here, and if he didn't have any chocolate, my brother's gonna try some.
Ale, you want cheese or not?
No cheese. Yeah. There's the potato. There's protein. Burrito. I like the burrito. Yeah. There tries burrito. Completely gross.
Huh?
And there's some coffee.
Johan, you want bagel or not?
Bagel, yeah.
You want cheese?
And everything, there's some chips, so these are Cheetos.
Okay, the cream cheese.
My mom, trying to clean your house.
Oh, I left. We went to Nutella.
Oh yeah. Have you ever had Nutella? It is good.
What's that cheese?
And this is good. Nutella is good for you because I don't know what's good for you. It's chocolate.
Put it back.
Yeah. Nutella is.
Right here.
Yeah, I didn't know. No, I didn't know we had Nutella.
I didn't know we had.
Maybe Boppy bought. Maybe Boppy bought. Well.
Maybe he knows we like Nutella.
Yeah, maybe he knows. And we can go upstairs. There's there. A Pappy and Oreo. See, there is snowing. That is crazy, and some people are cleaning the road so people will be safe. Yeah. Pappy. There's Pappy there. there he goes to climb stairs and it's
Hey guys, you want to see my Pokedex?
Pokedex.
And you guys want to see my Pokemon?
Oh,
Okay, wait, you can't see my password.
my brother's here.
I already know your password.
His name's Lame Director. We have this
Lame director.
Lame director.
He's lame. I'm just kidding. I think he's lame. Lame director?
Yeah, he has a friend named Jabari. He knows he got the idea named the Lame Director.
What?
Here we have the Batito. This is good. This is
No, I'll get.
and so
Yeah, sure, I'll get the bacon, egg, and cheese.
yeah. There's some bagels too, Gian.
I'll get bacon, egg, and cheese. I'll get bacon, egg, and cheese and a bagel. Hey guys, you're gonna see my Pokemon. Oh, you're gonna see my Pokemon too. You can just suck your Pokemon. Hang on, John. Look, you're gonna see my Pokemon. Make them look at it.
Whoa!
Make them look at it. Make them look at it.
Ectrodactyl. See, there's Pokemon. So you ever have Pokemon? That is.
Okay, look.
There's Pokemons here.
And look at my Pokedex. I got little.
Pokemons. And my brother has catch a lot of Pokemons, but
I didn't.
But brother Joel he hasn't. So that's cool.
Even though some people are better than me. I'm a level 20. So where's my cruise? I have a Porygon. Who the heck gave me a Porygon?
Johan,
Yes. Someone gave me a Porygon.
Johan, come on.
What is this?
Well, I don't even know. Yeah. But well, it's snowing outside. Yeah, got snow out. Great. And I go to school. I had no high school. Yeah. Well, that's the end. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you liked it. And again, this is a snowstorm video. A snowstorm video, yeah. And so, peace out. Oh, one thing. If you're not awesome, you're doing it wrong. Yeah, if you're not awesome, you're doing it wrong. Yeah, bye.